Hello guys and welcome back. Morning I presented some formulas and all, okay, so for the past days, okay, what in the mixtures and ratios, what we are continuing with some question and answer, उसी में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. ये formulas and sorts मैंने सुबह एक sort में डाला था. इन्हीं के basis पर मैंने previous question भी solve किया था and now we'll continue, and today is the last day in this session with some more examples and solving the question and answer. Our question, this type of question, if you have seen, I have prepared in the past. Since we are ending up with all the things, okay, I'm just now brushing up on things and we'll be closing the session. Two liquid costing 50 liters and 80 liters are mixed to obtain a mixture costing 68 liter. In the beginning, if you have seen, I prepared the question of rice and all, same thing, okay. Find the ratio. You have to find the ratio. So this type of question, see how much we have taken. 80 minus 68, 68 minus 50, okay. The formulas we have to follow and practice. 12 is to 18, divide and you get the answer. These all things, okay, 8 seconds. So, idea is, जब तक practice करोगे, तभी आगे बढ़ोगे. Don't hear any wrong things, whatever the people are saying in the, okay, you do all these nonsense activities, nothing. Only thing is, in my channels, I take practice makes a man perfect, and I repeat, keep on practicing. Our next question is, alcohol and water are mixed in the ratio 4:1. How much water should be added to 25 liter of mixture so that the ratio becomes 4:3? I've solved in the yesterday's question and answer this type of things, okay. I'll solve one more. So the formulas and all, if you practice, okay. Alcohol 4/5 into 25 liter water, 20 liter is alcohol, so water will be 5 liter, okay, because total content is 25. Let the water to be added x. So 20 into is to 5 is plus x equal to 4:3. So we need to cross multiply. So 20 into 3, 60, 4 bracket 5 plus x, 4 5 is 20, 4x, 40, 4x, x equal to x 10 liter. So what is the ratio becomes to? So how much water we need to add? 10 liter. So what is this? See, 9 seconds, okay. These all things have 9 seconds, okay. So my idea is saying, okay, if you are preparing for competitive exam, आप जो भी competitive exam के लिए prepare कर रहे हो, and any exam, you know, higher competitive exam or whatever it is, okay, in your school level for the exam and all. So my thing is practice. See, all these things I have practiced. I have seen the people, okay, and the most of the things in the YouTube and all, I think, okay, first they demoralize and then the guys start teaching and all. My thing is like that, I never demoralize, okay, because demoralize makes a person mentally sick and they don't think of coming back to that practicing anything. My idea is whether you guys are viewing or not, if you are means what to say, if you like the channel, if you're thinking that okay, these things are good, please go ahead and practice, okay, practice, learn the things, practice in a similar pattern and all, okay. My thing is there, and don't forget the bell icon. That's all I can say. I'll continue in my next session with some different question answer and different strategies in ratio for mixtures and all. I conclude my class for today. Thank you guys and bye bye.